r is equal to 7 secant theta is a polar equation. We've got r and theta. And we're going to try to rewrite this in terms of x and y. Right now, we have r is equal to 7 secant theta. So if we want, we can change this out, and this will be 1 over the cosine of theta. And by change it out, I mean use our reciprocal relationships, that secant of theta is 1 over the cosine. At first glance, we might try to multiply by r on each side, but then we would have r over cosine theta, and that won't work for us. We need to get r times cosine theta. You might also divide by r, and that could work. We'd have r cosine theta here. But I think in this case, what I'd like to do is multiply by cosine theta on each side. And these guys would cancel. We're going to bring that r out to the front. It is not supposed to be inside by the cosine theta, so that's r cosine theta is equal to 7. Now r cosine theta can be changed out for x, and we've got x is equal to 7. If we didn't do that, if we did what we were mentioning before, which is to divide by r, there would be an r down here, that would be 1 is equal to 7 over r cosine theta, which would be 1 is equal to 7 over x. We could multiply by x on each side, so x will be equal to 7. So that does work as well. Might be a little bit extra on the steps, but you can totally do that. Any way you cut it though, you should end up here with x is equal to 7.